this is Lauren and we are at SeaWorld Orlando for another Project Penguin / Toboggan update. Let's go inside and see what's new. Alright, not too bad of a line to get in today. So it looks as far as Holoscreen goes, they have the pins for the houses. Kind of the same thing as Busch Gardens has, just a little different as far as the houses go. And the Holoscreen merchandise is the same. So you got the paint splatter items, but then you also have the lounge fly too.
Again, if you were just joining, I was telling you about husbandry behaviors. In other words, taking good care of.
And then the gift shop by the Dolphins, you have some like fall items like reefs. Over here you have like the Busch Gardens one, like the sheet heavens, some Ray Dunn, which my Ray Dunn people. Got some mugs. Sucks to be you. And then a pillow. So Sky Tower is closed once again, so we will not be getting those views. Look at all those coins in there. That's crazy. Alright guys, let's see if I can do this one-handed. As always, your pink chicken update. Yep, that's pink chicken update. Squawk, 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 squawk. Oh, we got a fight in the back. Well, that's going to do here from SeaWorld Orlando for the Project Penguin / Toboggan update. As far as the construction site goes, not too much going on there, but the track site, a lot more track going on in there. As always, follow us along our journey, guys, and always follow us along on our socials, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!